Hello, in front of me I have MYKRONOZ ZeTime, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the bottom button. Now swipe left on the screen, and then swipe left on the screen again to go to the next page. Here let's tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select the general option. And here we have option called languages. Let's tap on it. And now we can scroll through the list of languages by swiping up and down on the screen or using the digital crown like this. Find the language you like on the list and simply tap on it to apply it. For example, let's apply Deutsch. Like that. And as you can see, the language changed. Now let's bring it back to English. So let's open the languages again and select English, like that. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.